What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks, and now let's get right into it with Tesla, which is down 5% on the day. And not only 5%, it's not done, down another 1% after hour, and Tesla is getting extremely oversold. Now yesterday I had 2 calls on Tesla, and soon as I saw 185 on Tesla, I was out for a small profit. And then soon as I sold, this thing went down massively. Not only we took out 177, 178 support, and now we're trading well below lower Bollinger Band. So that means one thing. Yes, this thing can come down a bit more, down to 167, align with this red line 50 SMA. But early as tomorrow, if not Monday, Tesla is getting extremely oversold, trading below lower Bollinger Band, which is sitting at 178. So we could see a retracement. At least we tried today, and then we failed, and now we're trading again below lower Bollinger Band. Now also, if you guys remember, just a few days ago I was talking about how we're getting a squeeze in between upper Bollinger Band and lower, and one thing is going to happen, and most likely we're going to see a breakdown below the support, and looks like the downtrend on Tesla might be continuing after getting a small bounce, which could come tomorrow, if not next week on Monday. So now we have resistance at 178, aligned with this lower Bollinger Band, and if we can get above 178, then watch out for 186.85 blue line 5 SMA to even 195 orange line 13 SMA. Now we got strong support down here at 167, so that is something to watch. Below that, there is a massive gap down here, guys, which won't get filled until we get down to 146.41, and that should be coming within next couple of weeks, and that is going to be a buying opportunity here on Tesla to go long on it. And now we're going to look at Meta. So what a day I had here on Meta, guys. Especially buying the puts exactly on top. And if you guys are watching and subscribe to my channel, you know that I've been calling it out for the last few days, but not getting in here on Meta, especially on a day trade. And I saw the opportunity today at 188.93, and exactly on top, I think just past 188, I got Meta puts 185 for next week. Not only we went in the money, over the money, and now it's sitting at almost 180. Actually, we came all the way down to 180. That was a massive trade here on Meta today. So definitely, guys, if you want to get my setups, my trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and especially 3 days of live trading, check out my Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. So Meta was a huge winner. Of course, I sold out, locked in a lot of profit today here on Meta. And now if you look at my screen, Meta actually holding above 176, 177, just above this white line 20 SMA, but also we broke 183 big support. So early as tomorrow, we could be coming down here at 176.64 and then filling the gap down here at 175. We also have support at 173 and then 166, where this lower Bollinger Band is sitting. To the upside, we will find strong resistance at 183, and above that, watch out for 187.25 on Meta. And now we're going to look at Apple. On Apple stock, we're down 1.5%, and if you guys remember, I still got some runners on Apple 150 puts already in the money, and I'm waiting for actually 146.71. I think in next few days, we're going to see Apple stock coming down here at 146.71 to fill this gap down here, and that's where I'll be selling out of my puts. Now Apple stock holding 150 as a support. Below that, we could be coming down to 149 and then 146.71 all the way down to 145 and then 142.88. To the upside, we will find strong resistance at 152 blue line 5 SMA and then 155. And now we're going to look at Amazon. On Amazon, we are down 1.78% on the day, and Amazon getting rejected right around 95 to 96 again by this negatively sloping white line 20 SMA, and now it's trading at 92.25 at the closing. Big support, and this gap will get closed down here at 90, but to the upside we will find strong resistance at 94, 96 white line 20 SMA, and then watch out for a move all the way to the top to fill this gap at 98.10 and then 100. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, we're down 2% on the day, and Google getting rejection right here, right around 96 to 97 for the fourth day in a row. And now it's trading just above right here, 92.20, holding orange line, 13 SMA as a support. So that's going to be a critical level going into tomorrow, 90 to 20. If that gives up, we could be coming down to 90, and then 88, 82 also will be a support, lower Bollinger Band. To the upside, we have strong resistance at 94.51 and then 97. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. So Microsoft actually gapped up, and we saw a massive run on Microsoft all the way up to almost 260. And then what happened, guys? A massive rejection. I mean, look at this nasty candle. Not only we took out 256.73 support, white line 20 SMA, came down, took out 255, 254.47, blue line 5 SMA, and now barely holding on to 252, orange line 13 SMA as a support into closing. Tomorrow, if that gives up, and right now it's down actually 251.68, we could see Microsoft dropping down to 250, and if that don't hold, watch out for the support at 247.62 and then 245. To the upside, we will find strong resistance at 254.47, 255, 256.73, white line 20 SMA, and then again 260 all the way up to the gap close right here, 261.90 on Microsoft. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Be careful out there tomorrow. We got some numbers coming out, especially early in the morning. And if it's good, yes, we're going to see a rally in the market. But if it's bad, like every other data we're seeing coming out, we could see this sell-off continuing to the downside.